Hi children, very good morning to you. Already we have completed 6 lessons. Okay, means in previously means we discussed about that DRC and also the Greenland. Now we are going to start the new lesson from your social studies, that is about Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sands. Okay, this is the lesson title. Yes, Saudi Arabia, this is one of the largest country. This is one of the large countries situated in the Arabian Peninsula. Okay, situated in the Arabian Peninsula. Peninsula means we already know about that. Three side of it has covered the water and one side is land surface. So it is known as the peninsula. So this is also Saudi Arabia also situated near in the Arabian Peninsula. Okay, and also sorry, it is lies between that Red Sea and also the Persian Gulf. Okay, where it is located, where it is lies between means that is lies between that Red Sea and also the Persian Gulf. Okay, refer that map in page number 45. You can get an idea of that. Okay, in western side Red Sea is covered. In eastern side that Persian Gulf has covered for this country. Okay, and also which is the capital of this country means that is Riyadh. Okay, see this map, refer this map. I think it is visible to you. Yes, this is the western part, this is the eastern part. Okay, so Arabian Sea is covered this down part of the country, so it is called as the Arabian Peninsula. See here in western side Red Sea is covered, means this is one of the coastal region for them, and also in eastern side that Persian Gulf has covered here, and also down part is Arabian Sea, Arabian Peninsula. So Riyadh, what I told about this capital, Riyadh is located here. Okay, this is about the Saudi Arabia. And also that land surfaces, which type of land surface it has covered, it has means that is one of the desert region, mainly it is one of the hot and dry region. Okay, many part has covered by the rocky surfaces and some other part has covered by the sands. Understood? ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ರಾಕಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, some other parts are covered by the sand surfaces. So this is the land surfaces of the country Saudi Arabia. And also in that region where that is covered with the sand, in that places we can find that sand dunes. In your previous class also you learnt about this sand dunes. Okay, what is that sand dunes means? Nothing. Sand dunes means that is small hills of the sand, that is called as the sand dunes. Understood? Sand dunes means what? That is small hills of the sands, means that sand dunes are formed by the sand only, that is looking like a small hills of the sand, that is known as the sand dunes. Okay, so one is that sand dunes means that is not in a constant place, that is not in a particular place. Okay, through that wind it is moving from place to place. Okay, sand dunes are moving from place to place because of the wind blowing in the ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. And also in that region, in the part of that country Saudi Arabia, we can't find that lakes and rivers also. Okay, and there is no lakes, there is no rivers, completely it is one of the dry region, rocky surfaces and also the land surfaces. There is no water availability, no sufficient drinking water availability, and also the water for agricultural and any other purposes they are not getting in sufficient water. But in some part of that area we can find the oasis. You already knew about that oasis. What is oasis? Oasis means nothing. In a small area, we can find the water in the desert region. Means that is underground water comes out of that surfaces. It is known as the oasis that we can find in the part of desert only, desert dry regions only. Okay, that is the oasis. Means underground water is come out of the surfaces. Okay, this is only the water availability in that region in the Saudi Arabia. How we people are having in many other rivers, many other falls. Okay, many different water sources we are having here, but that country is not having these all water sources of the waters. Only oasis we can find there. Okay, understood? Yes. Next, about climate. Climate of the country of that Saudi Arabia. Yes, that is one of the dry region. There is no greenery. There is no water availability. Means which type of climatic condition it can has. Okay, means dry climatic condition we can find there. Okay, and also one is very important where this country is located. Means in the part of that tropic of Cancer. Yes, where we can find this tropic of Cancer? That is one of the latitude. You already learnt about that. Where we can find that means, see here, this is the equator. This is the equator. This is southern hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere. Okay. In this northern hemisphere, especially in the part of 23.5 degree latitude, we are calling as a Tropic of Cancer. Okay, Tropic of Cancer. So in this latitude, this country Saudi Arabia is located. Where is that location of the country? Means that is located near the Tropic of Cancer. In which hemisphere we can find? Means in the northern hemisphere. Means it is one of the near part of the equator. As we discussed earlier, what are the countries, what are the places located near to that equator? Means from this Tropic of Cancer to the equator, that places are having a dry climatic condition. Two hot regions are there. Okay, we already know that. Like this Saudi Arabia also. Understood? So this is having an too hot climatic condition, and that the sun rays are straightly falling on that region. Because of that straight sunlight also, they are getting an hot climatic condition. Okay, and also this is about the summer season. What about that winter season? Which type of climatic condition is there? Means that sun sorry, that sand covered region, that is some part is covered by the rocky surfaces, some part is covered by the sand surfaces. Okay, I told that. So what is the nature of that sand? Means that is getting heat too fastly, like that it is cooling also very fastly. That is the nature of that sand. Okay, understood? So in the night time and also in the winter season, nights are cool in that region, days are too hot in that region. Winter's time, days are cool, nights are cold. Okay, means too cold climatic condition they are getting in the time of winter season. Okay, this is about the climatic condition of the Saudi Arabia. And also about vegetation and agriculture. Vegetation and agriculture means which type of crops they can grow there, and also which type of trees we can find in that region. Means very few plants can grow there. Okay, as I told earlier, that is not getting an sufficient water. Okay, where there is no water availability, there is no greenery. That is common thing. Where there is sufficient water, there we can find the greenery, forest region, and also we can get the many different types of trees also. But in Saudi Arabia, there is no water availability like that. There is no many other trees. What are the trees can grow in the desert region, especially in the hot region? That type of trees only can grow there, like the date palms and some other crops they can grow there. Means that wheat, barley, these all crops, means that crops are needing very less water. Okay, what are the crops needed? Less amount of water. That type of crops they can grow there. That is also near that oasis region, not in other all regions. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ವೆಜಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ರಾಕಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್, what we discussed about that oasis, that is underground water comes outside. In that places they are growing in the small amount of that wheat and barley. ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರು ವೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾರ್ಲಿನೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that crops, that plants are need less amount of water to grow. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ವಾಟರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀರಿನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ wheat and barley in the region that is also especially near the region of oasis. Okay, and also about that vegetation means plants, date palms, and also some other shrubs. Some other shrubs means that short shrubs we can find in the desert region, and also that cacti, that is one of the plant can grow in the desert region. Okay, this is about the vegetation and agriculture. So let us stop here. Next topic is the people. What are the people they are living, what is their culture and dressing style, tradition, these all things are covered in these all topics. Let us continue in our next classes. Okay, up to here read this lesson. Okay, read this lesson once completely. I thought this is clearly understood too. Okay, because about that desert region you already studied in your previous classes also, so it will become too easy to learn now. Okay, read this clearly. Okay, thank you.